Hello, traders. FS Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpickcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on the Euro Yen monthly, I still think that we are very likely in an ABC of 4, which will probably eventually lead to another move to the upside for the wave 5 to complete this nice 5 wave trend that we have on the monthly time frame. So, taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I mean, we've been saying for a while, but it looks pretty obvious that this is going down for the wave C already. I think this is the A, I think this is the B, and I think we're now going down for the C, which should all be an ABC of wave 4. And taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I was saying yesterday, I got my Fibonacci retracement on here, not to look for a reversal, but just to look for areas of resistance. These Fibonacci levels are very often areas of resistance, even if the market does keep on trending down, which it probably will. These Fib levels are usually areas where you're likely to get a Fibonacci bounce. So, anyways, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I would definitely only be looking for shorts right now, but I would also not be looking to go short right now. I would only be looking to go short on a pullback, like a three-way pullback, one, two, three waves up. So one, two, three waves up is what I'm looking for more entries to go short for the continuation of the uptrend, downtrend. Now, one thing I often get is when I draw this on my chart, everybody's like, "Oh, he's due a move to the upside. I'm going to go long." I have no idea whether it's going to go up and make a pullback right now. I'm just saying when it makes a pullback, I will be ready to go short again. Otherwise, if it just keeps on going down, which it definitely could, your strategy would be either be in a short from up here or to be going to a way shorter time frame and looking for pullback entries or waiting patiently for a pullback to go short. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right now. And if it does break, starts it to the upside on the 1 hour, then I would instantly throw my Fibonacci retracement on here, and I would instantly look for a three-way pullback. I would look for a Fibonacci bounce and a golfing move to the downside to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. Now, like I said on the 4 hour time frame, it doesn't have to do that now. It could potentially just keep on going down. So the only reason I drew this move to the upside is so I could represent what I would be looking for if and when it does happen. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.